You'd think that signing documents online was one of the simplest forms of technology around. If I asked you to have a guess at how many employees Docusign had, you'd probably guess it's between 10 and 20 people. I mean, how hard is it to run an online signature business? Maybe you've got a few people keeping the lights on and some engineers. But no, the true answer is staggering.
New at 5, another Bay Area tech company announcing layoffs today. San Francisco-based Docusign is laying off about 400 of its employees. The company says the job cuts are part of its restructuring plan. The electronic signature company says a majority of layoffs will be in its sales and marketing divisions.
Docusign is back in the news as the San Francisco-based e-signature company announced this week that it's laying off another 400 employees, its third major job cut since September 2022, when it cut 670 people and another 700 more were let go in February 2023. This time around, the 400 employees being laid off represents 6% of the workforce, and most of these layoffs are in sales and marketing. Yes, you heard that right, Docusign has over 7,000 employees, which seems crazy for an online signature business. But to explain why they have so many employees, you have to first understand that Docusign isn't just a run-of-the-mill online signature business. Docusign has hundreds of integrations with other mainstream systems that link in with Google, Microsoft, Salesforce, SAP, Workday, and the like. Docusign also creates tailor-made solutions for different industries and different countries, where different laws, standards, and cultural norms come into play. Whether it's financial services, life sciences, real estate, or government business, Docusign has to be able to offer tailored solutions to each client. So those 5 or 6 engineers that I mentioned in the intro is more like 2,000 to 3,000 engineers, who have to build and support 350 integrations alongside hundreds of industry-specific solutions like identity verification, agreement generation, automation, and storage that have to be constantly maintained. And that's just the engineers. Given the high-profile nature of many of Docusign's clients, they need countless lawyers and legal analysts attached to all of their clients. Docusign are constantly talking to government organizations, meaning they have to legally comply with every applicable government in every country where they have a client. This brings us onto Docusign's most important part of their business, and it comes with the largest cost: sales and marketing. Now you understand why most of the people they've let go have come from sales. Docusign rely on a direct sales force to sell to enterprises and commercial businesses, with smaller clients coming through their web-based self-service channel. Sales is so important for the business that they spend 2.5 times more on sales than they do on R&D, which tells you two things. They think they have a good product, and they think they can grow their business further. The sales team doesn't just do sales either. Think customer service and sales support. Yes, the basic Docusign package starts at $10 a month, but there's no doubt some of Docusign's larger clients are paying significantly more than this. Let's imagine Docusign are charging a business maybe $100,000 a year. Then those businesses are expecting someone in person to jump on a plane and come to their headquarters to provide tech support and constant hand-holding to ensure that everything runs as smoothly as possible. Docusign isn't just a PDF viewer signature program online. It's a business that provides super strength legal services that are insured by lawyers and guaranteed for your company's needs in any specific industry. Since its launch in 2003, it has gained over 1 billion users worldwide, across 180 countries, and they have more than 1 million paying customers, whilst they work closely with over 3,000 government agencies. And that's why Docusign has over 7,000 employees.
Docusign's the place.